This is another one I found. I don't even remember Oh, yeah, I do. Scorpion rope dart. That's the get over here in Mortal Kombat.
Yeah.
Get over here.
Wow, it was pretty good.
Anyway.
Did you do voice work?
That's right. That's right. I worked for... which company did that? Which... Midway. Midway was, I think, the developer of that game, or at least on the arcade version. Anyway, here's a guy doing it in real life. Who doesn't want that? So this is Scorpion Mortal Kombat rope dart tricks in real life.
Oh.
Ooh, cool.
Whoa.
The slow motion.
Whoa, no way.
You like that.
Did you see he threw it from behind his back?
Mo likey.
Oh, my God.
Mo likey.
Think about the amount of hours he put in.
Decently effective. I don't know in an actual combat scenario.
No, but these
good
are
aim.
some
Good
of the
aim.
coolest tricks.
Good aim. Yeah. Bam.
This is crazy.
Very accurate.
Whenever
too.
I see something like this, though, on Reddit, I feel I want to give a shout out to the actual guy.
Oh, but it's hard to...
Kuma. I see the watermark.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. But yeah.
He kicks it?
Well, he's also just acrobatic in general. The guy.
That must...
That was off his knee, man.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Watermelon. Of course, you got to do watermelon. Bam.
Oof, man, look how dangerous this is.
I know.
That is,
what if it comes back and knocks you upside the head?
Will, have you ever messed around with
there we go.
nunchucks?
Oh, no. Is that science and cool things? Anyway.
No nunchucks. But
But
I heard they're
anyway,
tricky.
Yeah, if you just goofing with them, man, it's so easy to hurt yourself. Like, it's bound to happen. And this guy, he's doing it with a knife and a rope. Ooh.
Yeah, it's. I don't think it has a sharp edge. It's just a sharp point.
It's sharp enough that it's piercing through cans and watermelon.
Yeah, if he hits it with the front, right? Like if you see at the very beginning, yeah, it's
Right.
like I don't know how
Almost blunt around.
I mean, it's still you're whipping a hunk of metal. You're still getting
It's still not safe.
no good. But a little different the way it works than a knife. I think if you look earlier when he's hitting the cans, he has to kind of fire it like a torpedo.
Yes.
It has to kind of this is the best shot for sure.
Wow.
It kind of dips at the end, but it's still more than enough for the can to explode. So
Cool.
we're all very
It
happy.
is so cool.
We're happy. Is this a 10 out of 10? Like, how good is this?
This
as
is a
far
10
as
out of 10.
Opposed to Mo loves it. Will, are you as heated as he is? Because he's heated.
I would give it a 10 just for the effort.
You're giving it a 10.
Yeah.
Double 10s.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to agree with that.